Wanted to make a video today on how to do lunch in minutes. Everybody's been trying to think of ideas on what to make and we could give to people that are working extra hours, first responders, even kids going off to college is a great idea to give them this. It's super easy and it's something they can use a lot. So you use a vent and serve. They come in a set of three vent and serves. 2.5 cups. See if I won't knock it all on the ground. Okay. So I'll make one while we're getting one ready. Whenever we do one of these and we show people just it wrapped up, people think, how could that fit? And does it really fit? Does it really work? So the best way to do it is a demo. And we can do a demo. This is just whatever. I think some TVs can't show different brands. This is more can. If they want to sponsor me, they can. But whatever is on sale is always my favorite. Saimin. So you just stick the block of noodles in here, and then you take the packet of seasoning mix. It's really easy now. Put the seasoning mix on top, and then you pour 2 cups of water. And pretty much once you've done it once or twice, you can tell how much water it needs. So 1 cup. But our measuring cups are awesome. You have to show that too. And our water bottles are great. So we have to show that too. So you just pour the 2 cups of water, and there's tons of room. And then you just put the lid on loosely. You don't have to put it on tight, just put it on loosely. And then you put it in the microwave. For about 3.5 minutes. You can do 3.5 minutes or 4 minutes. Depends on your microwave, and it depends on if you like it really cooked or partially cooked or however you want it. But this is how you make the gift. Really easy. You get the pack of 3 vent and serves. They're all 2.5 cups. You buy it in a set of 3, 2.5 cups. And you get a poly bag. They sell them at places like GBC. You get a poly bag, and you put a container in like this, and you put the lid, and you can put a packet of chopsticks and a thing of soup, whatever your favorite soup is, or if you know they have a favorite soup, put their favorite soup in there. This is great for kids going off to college too, or people that are working a lot because they want something hot, so it doesn't seem like they're having cold food all the time. Something hot, tasty, easy to make, so they have time to eat it. The other thing is that this vent and serve is really, I tie it. Right? And there's some people that know how to make fancy bowls and everything, and that's not me. But I'm not good at wrapping presents, but doesn't that look pretty awesome? And it's only like, it's like under $20 with everything, like around $15. So it's a great gift to give. This container is one that you can put leftovers in. It holds 2.5 cups. You put it in the refrigerator. You can even you can freeze them. So you put leftover like salmon or leftover lunch, and then you put it in a freezer and you leave it in a freezer. And then when you want to, they stack really nicely. And when you want to eat leftovers, or you want to take a hot, like take a home cooked lunch to work, you just take it out of the freezer, and you can microwave it frozen, or while you're at work it defrosts, and then you can warm it up faster. But this is a vent and serve. It's a really nice, durable plastic, and it's made for the microwave, and it's made to go in the freezer, microwave, and then you can eat from it. See how fast it is to make? I could have made 3 already. But you see how easy and fast it is to make? And you can put a little thank you note with it. Give it to the mailman, FedEx workers, nurses, your cousin, nephew going to college, or you can give it to all their friends. So it's kind of a neat little gift to make. And I'm going to show you that when it comes out of the microwave, that it's cooked. And some microwaves are stronger than other microwaves, and some people like it cooked differently. But it's always better to go 3.5 minutes, because if you try it and it's not cooked enough, you can put it back in and cook it some more. But if you cook it too much, you can't uncook it. And I know a lot of people out there like their saimin like this, and then they like to crack an egg and stir the egg in. You can crack an egg and stir the egg in there, and you can microwave it for another 20 seconds or a couple seconds and cook the egg. But this is ready to eat. So somebody can have a really nice fast lunch, not a sandwich or not chips and dip from the machine or whatever, but a nice hot favorite of everybody, saimin, instead of cup of noodle. But this is a good, they can reuse the container all the time. And thank you for watching my video.